all brand new and fresh on the scene. Stainless CNC High Rake props from Oxidean Marine. These 50 series stainless high rake props are designated for your twin cat. Right now, we're starting with the 56 millimeter and the 58 millimeter. Our props are laser etched with a corresponding number. This way you can read it loud and clear. This is especially good for some of us older guys like me who can't see very well. Our stainless CNC high rake props are now proven at over 120 miles an hour. Watch as our boat does a blistering fast 120 miles an hour, and that's on our new CNC stainless steel 56 millimeter high rake.
That's definitely faster than it's ever gone.
Right now, in very limited quantities, we have both 3/16 bore as well as 1/4 inch bore. These are 1/4 inch bore. Some of you that have Genesis have 3/16 shafts for some reason, and there's no high rake props made for those. We made them for them, and we put them on a Genesis, and it did over 100 miles per hour. They're not cheap by any stretch of the imagination, but they will get you where you want to go, and they will last a lifetime. Look at the precision edges. No sharpening or balancing needed. These props are just bolt on and go to the show. And don't forget, we have our smaller stainless CNC props, the 40 millimeter series, which have gone well over 114 miles an hour, proven. No longer are the days where you got to go to some grouchy prop guru who scratches the numbers off so you can't even tell what prop it is and call it supersonic or turbo bullshit. We want you to know what you're getting. We want you to learn how to do well with these RC boats. Because our customers are so loyal, we're going to be releasing the 1/4 inch bore 56 and 58 millimeter first. Our customers are very loyal and deserving, and they want to do 100 miles an hour. Meanwhile, watch some 100 plus mile an hour passes of our Rampage.